Tired of manually numbering your Excel rows? Here's a simple trick to make it automatic. First, select the cell where you want your numbering to begin. This is usually in the first row of your dataset, right next to your existing entries. In this selected cell, type the number 1. Now, move to the cell directly below it, where you want the second number to appear. In this second cell, type the formula that tells Excel to take the number above it and add 1. You'll achieve this by typing equals followed by the cell above, and then +1. Press Enter to confirm the formula. With the second cell selected, look for the small square dot at the bottom right corner of the cell. This is called the fill handle. Click and drag this fill handle down to the last row where you anticipate having data. As you drag, Excel automatically applies the formula to each subsequent cell, creating a seamless sequence. The best part, if you add a new row of data anywhere in your list, or even delete an existing one, your numbers will instantly update to stay in perfect sequence. Delete a row, and watch the numbers seamlessly fill the gap without any manual adjustments. This method ensures your data is always organized and error-free, saving you valuable time and preventing common numbering mistakes. Mastering this simple Excel feature can significantly improve your data management. Happy organizing.